Hello everyone, I am Dr. M. Velumani, Assistant Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. In this video, we are going to study the important topic from estimation and costing, namely rate analysis. Introduction to rate analysis. Rate analysis is the process of determining the cost per unit quality and quantity of a particular item of work. It includes the cost of material, labor, tools and plant, overhead charge and contract profit. Rate analysis help the engineer to estimate the actual cost of the construction accurately and is widely used in the preparing the detailed estimation and bills. Purpose of a rate analysis. The main purpose of a rate analysis is to determine the correct unit rate of a item of work. It helps in calculating the quantity of a material and number of labors required for each item. Rate analysis is also useful in the preparing the estimation, checking contract quantities, controlling the contract cost and avoiding the overestimation or underestimation. Requirement of rate analysis. Rate analysis is required because of the cost of material and labor varies from place to place and changes with the time. It is also required when new items are introduced, when site condition charge and changes are, when revised or supplementary estimation are prepared. Rate analysis help the engineer to evaluate the extra items and plan construction activity economically. Schedule of rate. The schedule of rates, commonly called SOR, is a standard document published by government departments such as BWD or CBWD. It contains a unit rate for the various items of work based on local market condition. SOR is a update previously and is used as a reference for preparing the estimation, saving the time and ensuring the uniformity in rate. Data book. A data book provides the standard data related to labor output, material consumption and coefficient for the different types of works. It is prepared by the standard authorized and used along with the schedule of the rate. The data book helps the engineer to calculate the labor and material requirement accurately and improve the reliability of a rate analysis. Procedure of a rate analysis. The procedure of a rate analysis start with studying the description and specified of the item. Then the quantity of a material required per unit are calculated. Material costs are obtained from the market rate or SOR. Labor requirements are calculated using the data book values. Finally, overhead charge and contract profit are added to the obtained the unit rate. Labor requirement. Labor requirement depends on the types of and nature of the work. Different categories of labor such as skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled labor are considered. Labor output value are taken from the data book and weightage and taken from the SOR or local market rates. Labor cost form the major part of a rate analysis and must be calculated carefully. Material requirement. Material requirement is calculated based on the mix proportion and specification. Wastage allowance, the transportation charge and handling the losses are also considered. Material rate are taken from market survey or schedule of rates. Accurate calculate of material requirement is essential and material contributes significant to the total cost. Rate analysis of a cement mortar. In cement mortar rate analysis, the quantity of a cement and sand are calculated based on the specified proportions. Dry volume is considered while calculating the material quantities. Labor charges for mixing and application are added. Cost of tools, water charges and contract profit are included to obtain the rate per cubic meter.